Got this new lure, boys. Let's see what we can fucking catch. Fish on, fish on.
It's a goddamn sorority girl. This one's a keeper. Fucking hot Cheeto rig, boys. Need me a Latino baddie. They can't resist this shit. This one's sitting like a 10-ton brick. Roar. Chupapi muñeño. I think we know what we're getting at with this one, boys.
And I told that bitch, don't come for me unless I send for you.
This one's called the Tinder toss-up. You never know with this one. Fuck. It's a goddamn catfish.